This is the IQCent review, and just to be clear, this is the website that we are reviewing today. So most likely you've been on this website thinking of trading on it. Maybe you've come across this website, maybe someone called you telling you that you have a great opportunity to invest and get high gains on your investment. So today what I'll be doing in this review for you, I've done a lot of investigation, so that's what I do on this channel. What we're going to look into some red flag warnings that you should know about as it relates to this IQCent website. We're going to look into actual customer complaints. There are many complaints online. People actually are not withdrawing any money, unable to get their funds, and many other things. I'm going to actually go into how online trading scams work, because there are many online trading scams out there. You just need to be aware and protect yourself. We're also going to look into some legitimate brokers out there that is well known and they've been online for many years and are legitimate. We're also going to look into how to get your money back if you have been scammed by IQCent or any other brokers out there. Now, first of all, my name is Jason Foster. I run this YouTube channel here. What I do a lot of reviews out there, and I also show people how to make money online. I do online business. There's a link in my bio, which I'll tell you about later, but if you want to learn more, you can always come to the top of my channel where you see start your own online business. You'll get information on how to actually start a business and earn passive income online. Now let's look into this IQCent review. First thing we're going to look into is going to be some red flag warnings. First of all, right now, when it comes to any trading platforms out there, usually the good trading platforms, they're going to be regulated. They're going to be certified. And when I did some checks out there as it relates to IQCent, I didn't see that they were regulated. Now, this is a very big red flag that you must be aware of if you're someone looking to trade any forex or cryptocurrencies. Okay, so IQCent does not fall under any regulating agencies when you do your research out there. They're also blacklisted and offshore. They're based somewhere in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So what that means is that customers are usually not protected when it comes to getting funds back. You know, if you have a lot of funds invested, you most likely will not get back those funds. So it's very important to learn this. All right, now what we want to do, we want to actually look into what they do. They actually work with websites that offer automated trading software. This is typically when they say that robots will basically execute trades for you. So they say, okay, put $100 in and you'll get 100% of that, you know, and you'll get bonuses, things like that. You know, usually those are some very, very shady way how to go ahead and trade. So you want to be very careful right there. Now, as it relates to complaints out there, you see that there are a lot of complaints out there are related to IQCent. Nikki says IQCent is really a scamming site. You don't know what you signed for until they steal everything you have won for yourself. So this is a very popular complaint that I see out there. People have invested money and they see in their account that they have gained a several percentage on their money, but they are unable to get back all those money. So Patrick says, I've deposited $4,700 to IQCent and my balance dropped to $4,100, right? Was warned about IQCent in January, but for some reason I kept using it. Now I'm trying to withdraw my $4,500 balance and I'm having a hard time getting the funds. Been trying since Thursday and the account manager is making all kinds of excuses, ranging from in current market situation, I would suggest continue trading. This week will be released very important economical data to release, so please be advised. We do process withdrawals from Monday to Friday. You know, this is what basically the brokers are saying, right? So he's saying do not deposit in IQ cent ever. Save yourself the trouble. Matter of fact, any offshore brokerage shouldn't be deposited into. Use US brokers, as there are certain regulations in place that can reimburse a loss of funds. So this is a good point right here. You know, if you're in the United States or if you're in the UK, you want to use brokers registered in your country, and you know, it's best if they are actually regulated. Okay, a lot of shady brokers, they go offshore, right? And that is how they can actually get a hold of your funds, and you know, there's no one really there to get your funds back. All right, I want to cover another one. This person says, I had an account with this company and I have identification but didn't feel comfortable with uploading to their site, so I just see what the rep would do, and she took the money from the account, deleted the account number. So this person said, good thing I had taken a picture of the account prior to writing them. This is wild. I'm glad I didn't. My idea. There's no telling what they'll do with it. Okay. So this is also very common complaint that I see out there. People getting their account deleted. Okay. No regulated, legitimate broker will do anything like this. Okay. You usually find these from shady brokers out there who are offshore, not regulated. So again, be very, very careful out there. Don't be desperate. I'm going to be providing you some legitimate brokers that you could look at, and I have a number one recommended one for you as well that you can, you know, trade with if trading is what you want to do. When you go over to also the subreddit over here, you see that there are so many bad reviews on IQCent. So this is 11 months ago, right? So you can see that there are many complaints regarding this IQCent. Okay, so it wouldn't be very smart to continue. You know, if you get a warning about IQCent, you don't want to go ahead and, you know, still invest your money as if you're trying to prove something to someone. You know, you don't want to necessarily do that. All right, but still, you know, some people have said that they have you know, withdrawn money from the company, but you know, most of the comments that I see out there, there are a lot of negative comments out there regarding this broker. Just be very, very careful. All right, now let's go into the next part of this review. Right now I want to go into I already covered how online trading scams work. Basically, online trading scams, they will call you, they will pitch you a particular, you know, dream, saying that you can double up your money 100 times your money. You know, they will be on social media. They will basically have images and videos of like in a trading account where you see like it pumping way up, and you know, someone deposited $1,000 and they made even $10,000 on top of that. All right, so they will basically go out there on social media, create videos of fake accounts showing people that, you know, you can make crazy amount of money, but at the same time, what they want to do, they just want to get the money from your pocket. So again, be careful. Now we're going to look into how to get your money back if you've been scammed by IQCent or any other brokers out there, especially if you're in the United States or the United Kingdom, right? Now, the website I recommend for people to go to, this has been vetted, this is authorized, this is legit. They're being, let me just put my chargeback, it's mychargeback.com, so that's the domain name. And just so you understand, we always verify domain names, so we're going to verify mychargeback.com and show you that they've been online since 2016, right? So verified, being online, and they're basically helping people out there to stay away, to actually get their funds back. So if you take a look at the website, you can get a free consultation. I'm going to put the link in the description of this video here, where you can go click on and actually go over and get a free consultation. These are top rated lawyers that their job is to help people to get their funds back when they have actually lost it from fraudulent sites, right? So you want to be extra careful right there. All right, so mychartbat.com, link will be in the description of this video. So next, we're going to look into regulated forex brokers right now for you. All right, so whenever time you are going to trade, it's best that you choose a regulated broker. This is common sense. This is important. All right, so we're going to look into some of the best ones. All right, so the best regulated forex brokers for you, and it's very easy to find. You just want to do a simple Google search, and you'll see that several of them will come up, right? So we say, let's say the list of 5 best ones, right? I'm going to put the link to the number one that I recommend, right? So you're going to see that these are the best forex brokers for 2022, right? You have Saxo Bank, okay? You have IG, you have CMC Markets, Interactive Brokers, right? You also have forex.com. This is a pretty good one. TD Ameritrade, FX, okay? These are all good, right? So I have actually the number one rated one. So you can always go to the pinned comment section. You're going to see the best number one legit crypto forex broker, and you're going to have the link right there. And then you also have it pinned in the comment section. So if you're on your computer, go to the comment section. If you're on a phone, go to the comment section. That is pinned right there for you to check out the number one crypto forex broker out there, regulated, legitimate, and help you to actually, you know, earn on your investment. Okay, that's very, very important. Apart from that, you know, I'd like to also remind you about my number one recommendation that I use to earn income online. So, you know, one of the best things to do is to earn income, and then you can invest that income. Okay, so I have my page over here where you can actually learn to start your own business online and also earn passive income from it. Okay, that's what I do, and that is how I get funds to invest in cryptocurrencies. Especially, you know, I've been doing some cryptocurrency investing, which is pretty good. And, you know, especially now when the market is down, you know, this is the best time to invest. And then when the bull market starts pumping, you know, basically that's when you see your profits. Okay, so again, this is Jason Foster. Thank you so much for watching this IQCent review. Hopefully this has been helpful. Now, if you found it valuable, go ahead and leave your comments, right? Leave comments. If you have any experience with IQCent, leave your comments below there. Help other people, warn other people about this unregulated broker as well. You also want to like the video, share this video with someone else as well who might be out there looking for IQCent. A lot of research has been gone into this, and, you know, hopefully this helps out a lot of people out there. Now, thank you for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be blessed. Take care.